Alright, so hello all of you, how are you all doing? So it's been a while since I recorded a video, and as you can see, the camera buffering has been fixed. It's no longer buffering ahead as much as it used to. Took a little while to fix it. The fix has been applied to both the screen recording script and the Twitch streaming script. And pretty much the change or the fix for it is actually something really simple. Can actually show all of you right here. I'll zoom in and open up the screen recorder script, and pretty much what I've added is in the MPV part. This was the same up till here, and we have cache sex and demuxer read ahead sex 0. So what this pretty much does, this one, is it prevents it from caching any sort of frames ahead of time. So we're telling it don't cache absolutely any frames at all if possible. And the same goes for the demuxer. The demuxer reads ahead a few frames. We're telling it don't read ahead, because it will cause my camera to read ahead essentially, which is not what I want, and it will be desynced. So just by applying these two parameters to the script, I've managed to fix it. And you might notice that the script that I'm using right now looks a little different. That's because I don't use the fpause setting here, because as I mentioned in the readme file, it adds a bit of buffering. You know, it causes a lot of frame drops on my system, so I don't use it. So if you're experiencing frame drops, just get rid of it, and it will be fixed just like that. So yeah, it was just a small little update on what changes I did to the script to make it run. To fix the camera settings, all I had to do was just read the manual a lot and look online for possible fixes. I ended up just looking into the manual a lot, reading a bunch of stuff and reading and looking at other people's configuration files, and I noticed that those two parameters were applied. So now the camera is fixed. We can keep recording with this camera setting, and yeah, it's just a small updated video on the scripts what I've changed to make it work again. So we should be able to stream again real soon in the future. Just need to figure out a few kinks here and there. I also should update this, you know, to match the script again. But, you know, I can update this later. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that the recording is fixed now, and file sizes are still really small. Even with the camera, it's slightly larger for a shorter video, but, you know, it's usable. I don't mind. It's really fast to record anyway. So yeah, thanks for being here. Just a small update video, and also consider subscribing if you enjoy this kind of content, or have a look at all my other content. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, see ya.